Hi guys, so today I'm going to live swatch the 3 polish colours that came in March Meebox. This first one is by Cure Bazaar and it is called Cappuccino. Now it is a little bit streaky on the first coat, so I will apply a second. Our second polish is by Deco Miami and it's this really pretty pink shade. This is simply called Cake. It is a little bit streaky on the first coat as well, so we'll apply a second. Polish 3 is by Little Ondine and this is a mint green shade and this one is called Ripple. There's some decent coverage on one coat, a little bit see-through, so I will do a second to make it fully opaque.